So here is a productivity tip for you guys. If you run multiple websites, multiple blogs, you can manage them efficiently to save time. First of all, if you are using any browser, I would recommend that you enable bookmark bar. Bookmark bar is this bar where the bookmarks are shown, and bookmark feature is quite powerful. You can access any website in a single click. You don't have to type that particular website. So bookmarks have got this functionality of creating folders, and inside the folders you can have as many bookmarks you want. So bookmarks are kind of a way to organize everything. So you can see I have organized everything nicely so that I can access a particular website in just a few clicks. For example, I have this publish where I have all the websites, all the dashboard where I create content. I can directly log into that account by clicking on any of it if I want to open a particular website. And there is another folder in the bookmark bar. It's called Canva, which has the direct link of the templates where I work. So I create a template for a particular project, or for example, blog post for a particular blog. Then I will rename it and bookmark it into this folder. So it gives me access in just a single click, which is pretty cool. So folder is nice way to get as many bookmarks possible in the bookmark bar so that you can easily access them. And also, if you have got multiple WordPress websites, instead of logging into each of your websites and then updating the plugins and themes and the core WordPress files, what you can do is you can use a service called Manage WP. It's an amazing service where you can add as many websites you want. So I have added most of my websites that I do not check on a regular basis. So what it does, it lets me log into this and allows me to update everything all at once. You can see that I need to update 33 plugins, 3 themes, and there are spam comments, some revisions that can be done all at once. So I have made a habit of doing this every week on Monday. So I log into Manage WP every Monday 9 a.m. and then update all the websites that I do not access on a regular basis. So it saves a lot of time. The free version has some limitation, but I'm using the free version. The paid version gives you more options. The free version is also quite powerful because it saves a lot of time. If you have to do this manually for every website, for example, if you've got 5 websites, you will have to log into each of them individually, then update everything manually, and it will take 30 minutes of your day. Maybe if you do it once a week, it will take 30 minutes. This takes only 5 minutes, maybe less than 5 minutes also, because once you click on update, you can go back to do anything else that you are doing. So if you're someone who runs multiple blogs, these are the things you can do to manage your time efficiently and do most of your work in less amount of time. There are more tips and tricks coming your way, so make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care.